Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Translate for a full guide. This powerful feature allows your creations to reach millions of players worldwide, expanding your reach significantly. Roblox can automatically translate your game's text into more than 24 different languages. You also have the flexibility to fine-tune these translations for perfect accuracy, ensuring your message resonates with every player, no matter their native tongue. To begin, access your game settings directly from the Creator dashboard, which is your central hub. Once there, locate and click on the Localization tab to manage your language options. You must then enable the translation feature and carefully select your primary source language, which is usually English. Make sure to activate automatic text capture, as this will help Roblox gather all the necessary strings for translation effortlessly. After setup, Roblox automatically generates translations for your chosen languages, streamlining the process considerably. It is crucial to review these automated translations for overall context and precise accuracy. If needed, you can manually edit any specific text string by simply typing your correction into the provided translation field. Remember to utilize the Translate All option for a quick bulk translation, saving you valuable time and effort in the long run. For the best results, always provide clear and concise source text within your experience. This greatly improves machine translation quality. A vital step is testing your localized experience thoroughly by temporarily changing your own Roblox account language settings. For extremely critical game elements, consider hiring professional translators to ensure perfect cultural nuances. Regularly updating your translations is essential as your experience grows and changes, ensuring a consistent and high-quality player experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.